Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by inspecting and cleaning your Vision cookware. Any hairline cracks mean stop. Once clean, place the pot on low heat. Glass needs gentle warming to avoid thermal shock. Add a thin layer of oil or liquid before moving to medium. This prevents sticking and helps distribute heat. Make sure to use wooden or silicone utensils because metal can nick the surface. As you see steam rise, gradually increase temperature. This controlled approach preserves clarity and performance. Once the cookware is warmed, balance heat to match your recipe. Medium for simmering, medium-high for searing, but avoid sudden jumps that stress the glass. You'll find using a lid traps heat and reduces liquid loss, so make sure to use it when simmering or braising. If bits stick, deglaze with a splash of water or stock while hot. This lifts flavor without scraping. Keep an eye on browning by lifting the lid briefly to stir, preventing localized overheating and ensuring even cooking. You finish by removing Vision cookware from the burner a few minutes earlier than stainless. Glass holds heat so carryover cooking finishes the dish. Once off heat, allow it to cool gradually on a trivet. Never plunge a hot pan into cold water, as thermal shock causes cracking. If food sticks or you notice a chip or crack, stop using the cookware, reduce heat next time, and switch to gentler stirring. These steps protect your cookware and keep meals predictable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.